All right, now let's talk about how no one is actually able to predict what's going to happen in the market. This is a big thing in the industry, and I see it all the time where there's traders or marketers actually who are claiming, let's say, for example, Bitcoin's going to 100,000, or they're claiming gold is going to drop 20%, or any of these silly and very crazy predictions. So the reality of the situation is that nobody knows the future, so it's impossible to tell what's going to happen in the future. So then you might be wondering, how is it that we're able to be so profitable on a regular basis here? And the reason is because we're not basing any of our trades on human emotion or human bias. So what we're doing is we're very clearly just looking at data. For example, the range bars as well as the audio signals. We'll use the PSAR and the RSI as confirmation, but we're only using data to be able to enter and exit our trade. So for example, right here, we're seeing this nice big uptrend on Bitcoin. Right here, we're seeing the red candle. Now, whether I think Bitcoin is going to go up or I think Bitcoin is going to go down, it does not matter. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be entering a sell trade because I know we're in this uptrend, we're reversing. Most likely, we're going to be going down. So what I'd be doing is entering a short position, setting my stop loss, setting my take profit, and just following along with the strategy, regardless of my feelings, because whatever you are feeling, you will be wrong. That's just the reality. So we only trade based on data. No one will be able to tell what's going to happen in the future, not even us. And this is why even we do not have 100% win ratio. We have around a 60 to 65% win ratio maximum, but that is profitable because we're able to do it over a long period of time and stay consistent.